Ready to supercharge your email marketing strategy? This tutorial will guide you through setting up your Brevo account in under 2 minutes. First, navigate to the Brevo website and click on the prominent Sign Up Free button. You'll be directed to a simple registration form. Enter your name, a valid email address, and create a secure password. Double-check your details before proceeding. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Brevo and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once verified, Brevo's setup wizard will guide you. Start by entering your company name and primary business email address for sending emails. You'll also need to provide your physical company address for compliance with anti-spam regulations. This information appears at the bottom of your emails. Now, let's import your contacts. Brevo offers several options. You can upload a CSV or TXT file, copy and paste your contact list directly, or even sync with popular CRMs. For CSV uploads, ensure your file is properly formatted with clear column headers like email, first name, and last name. Then, map these columns to the corresponding Brevo fields. After uploading, you can organize your contacts into lists for targeted campaigns. You've successfully set up basic account details and imported your first contacts. With your account configured, you're ready to explore Brevo's powerful campaign creation tools. Look for the campaign section in the main menu to start crafting your first email. Choose your campaign type, write a compelling subject line, and design engaging email content using Brevo's intuitive editor. Click Start a New Campaign and let your creativity flow to connect with your audience and grow your business. Congratulations on setting up your Brevo account and taking a crucial step towards mastering email marketing.